so good, you guys. Oh my god, you have Hi guys, once again, this is Melissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's episode, I'm going to show you my own version of salad, a simple salad recipe. I will be showing you the ingredients later. Yes, I dyed my hair. I am not blonde anymore. So guys, by the way, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button down below so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. And by the way, this is gonna be the last video that I will be posting this month. I'm going to see you again next month, guys. So there are some changes here, so we will be very busy for the next few days. So there. And how are you doing today? By the way, please comment down below. I would love to read those. And let's start. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients. Of course, lettuce. So there is some variety of lettuce that you can use. So it's up to you guys. Of course, I have here the tomatoes and white onions. You can also use the red ones and the chicken. So if you don't have chicken at home, you can use sausage, hot dogs, or just plain veggies. It's up to you guys. And of course, I have here the dressing. It's the Hellmann's Thousand Island. So what I love about this dressing is the flavor is so distinct. So it's so yummy. So there guys, we have to mix it, okay? Alright, this is the chicken now. I'm going to mix it using my hands. Of course, you have to wash your hands, guys, okay? So let's start. Make sure, guys, that your ingredients are properly washed so that you know we can make sure that it's safe to eat. So now I'm going to put the tomatoes here. There you go. So I love tomatoes. I'm going to put as many as I can. And then the onions. There. So I know that many of you there are vegetarians, so I highly recommend this salad recipe. And of course, in the middle, you can put the chicken. You have to shred it like this. Of course, don't put the bones of the chicken. There you go. Ah, look how beautiful it is, guys. So there, we're going to put the dressing. I'm going to put the dressing now. Yeah, this looks so yummy. So you can put as many as you want. There. Good. And I'm just going to mix it and it's ready to eat. Look at this beautiful bowl of salad, guys. So you can definitely make it at home. I'm sure your family will love it. So there. Look at this. Oh my god, there you go. I'm going to eat it now, guys. So good. It's so good, you guys. Oh my god, you have to try this at home. Alright guys, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching the video today. So you can definitely try the salad recipe at home. I'm sure you will like it. Of course, the recipe, I'm sorry, the ingredients are so fresh. They're so fresh, and the dressing is so good, so you have to try it. By the way, once again, this is Melissa, and of course, I will see you again next month, guys. So please comment down below, what can you say about this vlog? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing good today. So there, love each other, guys, and be safe. Bye-bye.